Hi and welcome back to my channel for another low-calorie, delicious snack this time. Or dessert, everyday dessert though. So this is gonna be another yogurt treat. Why yogurt? Because it's healthy for you, first of all. Can be low in calorie depending on which one you're gonna use. It's high in protein, it's delicious. It's just a perfect thing to use for dessert. But this one's gonna be a pretty fancy one. So, like I said, we're gonna be using yogurt. I have 3 different yogurts here. Low calorie, medium, 2%, and 5%. Choice is yours depending what your calorie budget is, of course. For this recipe, I like to use the non-fat one because I'm gonna be sweetening it and you're not gonna really tell any difference between them. So it will be kind of overkill, especially that the 5% yogurt has 160 calories for 170 grams, comparing to this non-fat 90 calories for the same amount. So no brainer, this one is the one we want to use. So besides the yogurt, we're gonna use a sweetener. I'm gonna use a vanilla syrup, just like the coffee syrups you find in the coffee shops, something like that. You can use any flavor you like if you don't have vanilla. Or if you don't have any, go ahead and buy. I'm gonna put a link below in the recipe so you can find it. Now, gelatin. It's just a plain one, no flavor. And this is just something that I absolutely love. Biscoff cookies. If you flew different airlines, some of them actually serve it as a snack, and that's how I learned about them. They are so delicious. Only 35 calories per cookie. They're very sweet, so you don't have to use that much. I use like 1-2 cookies per dessert. It adds tons of flavor and not that many calories. So I definitely like it. And I'm gonna flavor yogurt with coffee. I absolutely love coffee. Anything that includes coffee, it's something that I definitely like. And if coffee is not your thing, just skip it, you don't need it. And I use a shot of espresso for this one, but if you don't have an espresso machine, you can buy just instant coffee. And with instant coffee, you do not even have to dissolve it in water. You can just sprinkle it into yogurt and whisk it. So this is pretty much it. Now let's go over the whole process.
I'm gonna start with dissolving 1 packet of gelatin, about 7 grams, in the vanilla sugar-free syrup. I have an ounce of it. And mix it well and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes for the gelatin to bloom. In the meantime, I made nice espresso and we're gonna add hot espresso to it. Now mix it well so the gelatin completely dissolves. Also, if it's very hot, make sure you cool it slightly before adding it to the yogurt. And I prepared here 300 grams of non-fat Greek yogurt. You can of course use the 2%, 5%, whichever you like. And I'm gonna add the gelatin coffee mixture right in it. Mix it very well. And let's taste it a bit, if it's sweet enough. If you need more sweetness, go ahead and add some more. And I'm gonna add 1 cookie per cup. Of course, if you like more crumble at the bottom, you can add more. And I'm gonna use this interesting tool to crush it, but of course you can do it by hand, however you like it. I filled up the 2 cups with the crumble and pressed it slightly, and the next step is of course to fill up the cups as evenly as you possibly can, to make sure that you have 2 similar servings. I like to tap it a little bit and shake it to make sure that the air bubbles disappear before putting it in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours. And this is how it looks like. It is so light, fluffy, and absolutely delicious. And this is one way you can serve it. You can just crumble additional cookie on top, and it's delicious just like that. But if you want to make it fancy, spray some, not spray, powder some cocoa powder, and for even a better presentation, add a little Biscoff cookie on top. And make sure you watch these two videos, and I will see you on the next one.